The alluring Oxalis Plum Crazy, a burst of color in your home. For the past year, a little plant has stolen the show on my windowsill. It's the Oxalis Plum Crazy, and it's anything but ordinary. With its mesmerizing, variegated foliage and cheerful yellow blooms, it adds a touch of whimsy and vibrancy to my living space. But beyond its captivating looks, the Oxalis Plum Crazy is surprisingly easy to care for and propagate, making it a perfect companion for plant enthusiasts of all levels. See more 569 species in genus Oxalis at monsteraholic.com. What is Oxalis Plum Crazy? The Oxalis Plum Crazy, also known as Oxalis spiralis volcanicola Plum Crazy, is a stunning hybrid variety known for its captivating foliage. Unlike its green-leaved cousins, the Plum Crazy boasts a riot of colors. Imagine a base of deep purple splashed with vibrant pink, all delicately held in 3 heart-shaped leaflets. This playful combination gives the plant an almost whimsical air, resembling a flock of tiny butterflies flitting about. But the beauty doesn't stop there. During the growing season, the Plum Crazy rewards you with cheerful, bright yellow flowers that pop against the vibrant foliage. These cheerful blooms, shaped like little trumpets, add another layer of charm to this already captivating plant. How to care for Oxalis Plum Crazy? The good news is, keeping your Oxalis Plum Crazy thriving is a breeze. Here's what you need to know. Light. This little drama queen prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, as it can scorch the delicate leaves. A spot near a well-lit east-facing window is ideal. Water. The key to a happy Oxalis Plum Crazy lies in watering. Water the plant deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry, and then allow the excess water to drain freely. Overwatering is a big no-no, as it can lead to root rot. Soil. Opt for a well-draining potting mix. A mixture of cactus mix and regular potting soil works well. Temperature. The Plum Crazy thrives in average room temperatures, ideally between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. With these simple steps, your Oxalis Plum Crazy will be on its way to becoming a thriving addition to your indoor haven. How to propagate Oxalis Plum Crazy? The beauty of the Oxalis Plum Crazy is that it multiplies readily, allowing you to share its magic with others. Here are 2 ways to propagate your beloved plant. Division. During the repotting process, you can easily divide the plant's bulbils, tiny bulb-like structures, and plant them in separate pots with fresh potting mix. Water them lightly and maintain consistent moisture until new growth emerges. Leaf cuttings. This method might take a little longer, but is still quite rewarding. Select healthy leaves with a small section of the petiole, leaf stalk, attached. Plant the petiole section in a pot filled with moist potting mix. Keep the soil slightly moist and provide bright, indirect light. With patience, you'll soon see new growth developing. Additional tips for Oxalis Plum Crazy success. Dormancy. During winter, the Oxalis Plum Crazy might enter a period of dormancy. The leaves may droop or even fall off entirely. Don't panic. Reduce watering and allow the plant to rest. Come spring, with renewed watering and sunlight, it will bounce back with fresh foliage and blooms. Fertilizer. While not strictly necessary, a light application of balanced fertilizer during the growing season can give your Oxalis Plum Crazy a little boost. Opt for a diluted solution once a month. Pests and diseases. Thankfully, the Oxalis Plum Crazy is relatively pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for mealybugs, which appear as cottony white masses on the leaves. You can remove them manually with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. The allure of the butterfly plant. The Oxalis Plum Crazy, also known as the butterfly plant for its night-folding leaves, is more than just a pretty face. It's a conversation starter, a burst of color in your home, and a testament to the resilience of nature. With a little care and attention, this captivating plant will reward you with years of beauty and joy. So, why not bring a touch of the whimsical into your life and invite the Oxalis Plum Crazy into your home?